Good morning, I'm Chris Beecham and these are your morning market headlines for Tuesday the 25th of September, with the FTSE up around 7 points at 58.46, just nudging higher after yesterday's rather lacklustre day of trading. China's leading indicators this morning for August rose by 1.7%. Now these measure early signs of economic growth in the world's second largest economy, and they have helped to assuage growth worries among investors, but nervousness does remain. And on that note, the Bundesbank has taken upon itself to criticise the IMF this morning, saying that the fund has overstepped its mandate and has been throwing money around like confetti. And it's an uncomfortable reminder of how the Bundesbank has always stood in the way of any ECB attempt to really ease this crisis in a significant manner, and how obstinate the Germans remain to any signs of further solutions to the crisis. On the company front, we have a profit warning this morning from Hornby, causing its shares to fall off the rails this morning, down 35%, as Olympic sales are reported to be disappointing, which is one of its major hopes for the year, plus manufacturing difficulties of one of its suppliers in China. Shares are now back to the lows last seen around 2003 and are down 60% so far this year. On the economic and other fronts today, we have an Italian bond auction where Rome will auction 2, 4 and 10-year bonds with the results around 10 a.m. There's also a meeting between Chancellor Merkel and ECB President Mario Draghi. Plus, in the US, we have the Case-Shiller Home Price Index and the September Richmond Fed Index. And we expect the S&P 500 to start around 2.5 points higher at 1454. That's it for me. Do consult your insight platforms for more news and analysis.